Did you know that the global real estate market is expected to reach a whopping $4.26 trillion by 2025? Now that's an industry worth exploring. From the towering skyscrapers that pierce the skyline to the cozy homes that nestle in suburban landscapes, real estate is an industry that paints the world as we know it. It's not just about buildings, lands, and houses. It's about shaping communities, developing economies, and creating spaces for us to live, work, and play. The real estate industry is truly massive, stretching across the globe and permeating every corner of our lives. But what's even more impressive is its growth. From 2020 to 2025, the global real estate market is projected to grow at an astonishing rate. And this isn't just a random surge, it's a testament to the industry's resilience, innovation, and relentless drive. Within this vast universe of real estate, there are different sectors, each with its unique characteristics and growth rates. First, we have residential real estate, which includes everything from single-family homes to high-rise condominiums. This sector is driven by our basic need for shelter, but it's also influenced by factors like population growth, urbanization, and changing lifestyle trends. Then there's commercial real estate, encompassing office buildings, shopping centers, warehouses, and more. This sector thrives on business growth and technological advancements. And let's not forget about industrial and agricultural real estate with their own unique dynamics and market forces. Each sector is like a cog in the vast machinery of the real estate industry, functioning together to drive this multi-trillion-dollar powerhouse. Whether it's a sprawling corporate campus or a quaint little cottage, each piece of real estate is a part of this grand tapestry, contributing to the industry's impressive size and growth. So, next time you see a for sale sign, remember there's a multi-trillion-dollar industry behind it. The world of real estate is vast and surprising, filled with opportunities, challenges, and endless possibilities. It's not just about buying and selling property, it's about shaping the world we live in. And that, my friends, is something truly worth exploring. Ever heard of terms like escrow, equity, or lien and wondered what on earth they mean? You're not alone. Welcome to the world of real estate jargon where unique words and phrases abound. But fear not. Today, we're going to break them down and make them as easy as pie. Understanding these terms can be your secret weapon when navigating the world of property buying and selling. Let's start with escrow. Now, you might be thinking it's a type of bird, but it's actually a neutral third party that holds on to something of value during a transaction. In real estate, this usually means money, but it can also be important documents or contracts. The escrow ensures that all conditions of a deal are met before the money changes hands. Next up is equity. No, it's not a social justice movement. In real estate, equity refers to the difference between what your property is worth and what you owe on it. If your home is worth $200,000 and you owe $100,000 on it, you have $100,000 in equity. It's like a hidden savings account growing as your property value increases and your mortgage decreases. Now, let's tackle lien. It sounds like a lean piece of meat, but it's actually a claim or legal right against assets that are typically used as collateral to satisfy a debt. If you've ever heard of a house being under lien, it means someone owes money and the house is collateral. And who could forget amortization? It's a fancy way of saying how your loan is broken down into payments over time. Each payment reduces your loan balance until you've paid it all off, like a countdown to freedom. There are many more terms like appraisal, closing costs, underwriting, and contingency, each one a key to unlocking the mysteries of real estate. But don't worry, we'll get to all of them in due time. And just like that, you've mastered the language of real estate. Impressive, isn't it? Ever wondered how a property's value is determined? It's not magic, it's a science. From the outside looking in, this process may seem like a perplexing maze of numbers and figures. But once you delve into it, you'll find that it's a fascinating blend of art and science. At its core, property valuation is about understanding the worth of a piece of real estate. It's a critical part of the buying and selling process, and it's influenced by a myriad of factors. Some of the most significant factors include location, size, and condition of the property. Location, they say, is everything in real estate, and this certainly holds true when it comes to property valuation. A property in a prime location, perhaps close to amenities like shops, schools, and transport links, or in a desirable neighborhood, is likely to command a higher value. Size is another crucial factor. It makes sense, right? The larger the property, the higher the price tag. But it's not just about square footage. The layout and usability of the space also count. A well-designed, smaller property could potentially be worth more than a larger, poorly designed one. The condition of the property also plays a substantial role. A newly renovated property with modern amenities is likely to be valued higher than a dilapidated one requiring a lot of work. But remember, potential can be a powerful word in real estate. A fixer-upper may hold a lot of value to the right buyer. Aside from these factors, appraisals and market trends also play a significant role in determining a property's value. Appraisals are professional assessments of a property's value, often conducted by a licensed appraiser. They consider all the factors we've discussed and more, including recent sales of comparable properties. Market trends, on the other hand, reflect the broader economic picture. They show whether it's a buyer's or seller's market and how property values are likely to evolve in the near future. So, the next time you're house hunting, remember it's not just about the number of bedrooms and bathrooms. It's about understanding the art and science behind property valuation. It's about seeing the potential and making informed decisions. Happy house hunting. Investment properties can be a great way to grow wealth, but they're not without their risks. And that's something we should never forget when we step into the fascinating world of real estate. Some of the most successful people have built their fortunes on real estate, and it's easy to see why. The pros are many. It's a tangible asset, something you can see, touch, and feel. It's not like a stock or a bond that exists only on paper. Real estate can provide a steady cash flow in the form of rental income and often appreciates in value over time, offering the potential for significant capital gains. Plus, it can provide tax benefits that other investments can't. But let's not get carried away. Real estate investing also has its share of cons. It requires substantial upfront capital and can tie up your money for a long time. Unlike stocks and bonds, you can't sell a piece of real estate at the click of a button. It's illiquid, meaning it can take time to sell, and you might not get the price you want or need. And then there's the responsibility of property management. Dealing with tenants, maintenance, and other issues can be time-consuming and stressful. And this is where the importance of research and due diligence comes into play. Understanding the market, knowing the location, analyzing the property, and calculating the numbers are all critical steps in successful real estate investing. It's not about jumping on the next hot property, but about making informed decisions based on solid evidence. So, is real estate the golden goose of investing? It can be with the right approach and knowledge. It can be a path to financial freedom and a comfortable retirement. But like any investment, it's not without risks, and it's not for everyone. The key is to understand these risks, to do your homework, and to make decisions that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. And remember, in real estate, as in life, there are no guarantees. Only opportunities to be seized, risks to be managed, and rewards to be earned. The real estate market is constantly evolving. Want to know what's on the horizon? Let's dive into the emerging trends that are set to shape the real estate landscape. One such trend is sustainable housing. As the world becomes more environmentally conscious, the demand for eco-friendly homes is on the rise. Picture this: homes equipped with solar panels, rainwater harvesting systems, and energy-efficient appliances. They're not just concepts from a sci-fi movie anymore. They are real, and they are here. In addition to being kind to our planet, these sustainable homes also offer long-term financial benefits. Lower energy bills, reduced water usage, and potential tax incentives make going green an increasingly popular choice for homebuyers and investors alike. It's a win-win situation for the homeowners, the investors, and Mother Earth. Next on the horizon is the rise of virtual tours. Gone are the days when you had to physically visit a property to explore it. With the advent of advanced technology, prospective buyers can now tour properties from the